do-it-yourself Dell here, and I wanted to expose an item here that had for quite a while now, and it's received a lot of use. It was from that popular delivery outfit. Begins with the first letter of the alphabet, and then I wanted to just show you how it's used. And say you have paper, maybe sensitive paper that you wouldn't want your identity stolen or something like that, and it's just a matter of, you can set it this way. You can set it for constant, you can set it for automatic, which is the way I have it. And I'm going to try again here. Just these aren't the actual sensitive documents, but let's see if we can find something that you wouldn't want. And here's an owner's manual, which I'd like to keep. Here's something from that governmental agency that, out of sight, out of mind. And here's another one, another operator's manual, which I'd perfectly care to keep. This is the first aid kind of some tips for first aid, which I should probably keep. But just supposing that this was items that you didn't want. And there again, this is a quick guide to which I'd rather keep. I try to keep all the owner's manuals and things in place, but here's that agency again, and we're going to just use them as an example. Zip, and it's gone. And so with that, it's quick and it's easy. And we're going to show you now that this has got a window here, and it shows you when it's getting filled. So what we can do is show you how we undo this way. Sometimes when you get it this way, it gets stuck in the teeth. So what I do is just pull it out. And not always nice and neat. Also, the equipment reverses, so if you're not, and also be very careful. These cutters in here are sharp. And let's just see if I can. And I think in order for this to operate, it needs to be in the unit.
Yeah.
The unit. So let's see, I'll just run her in reverse and see if we can't. Let's see. So there's one way, and there's the other one. So let's see if that helped any. Some of this is still in there, a little bit. And as you see, it cleaned it up pretty good. What was left in there is gone. Most of it anyway. And the end here is just normally it's not this. You don't incur these problems if you empty before it gets full. But I'll try this just once more and try to go in reverse and see if we can't. So there are indicator arrows here. So that's forward. Go to reverse also. Sounds like it's operating better now. The green light on it, there, it's in automatic. But normally speaking, you should probably unplug. And this is going to be one of these items that do as I say rather than do as I do. It should be unplugged when you're doing this thing. But here, you can see that the box or the receptacle is almost full, and we'll just dump it. So that's that. So far, it's not that much of a problem. Then you're ready to go again. The window is clear, and it's again, it's set in automatic. So I'm going to set this down out of the way to show you that it's kind of messy the way I do things. So here we've got our handy dandy cordless vacuum, which with just this attachment on it. Also use this attachment, comes in extremely handy when you want to clean the car, and it's extremely fast. So here we go. You can see some of those little pieces here, and we'll see how it works here. May or may not work out good, but another way of doing it is the hard to reach places. I think what you can see that it's doing the job, but we'll show you with the other part. With the, this will be maybe a little bit faster, and it will clean up a little bit better. Okay, let's try this. See, that's faster, and it's these little parts underneath. One of the nice things about this vacuum is that it can get in and underneath places that you wouldn't normally get. But again, with the smaller attachment into those harder to reach places, and as I say, normally if you don't let the receptacle bin fill up that much, you won't have these problems. It won't be the neatness thing involved here. But there it is, in those little areas this will pick up. And again, this vacuum comes in extremely useful. And as I mentioned, it's great for cleaning the car. It's fast, it's efficient, and so anyway, we'll put our trash receptacle there. We'll set this back to where it was, and this is the green light is on. It's ready to go. I got it set in automatic, so it's just a quick process. But again, I say, if you're going to lift this up, I don't think it'll start up. Picking your fingers through the shredded paperwork there and then pulling it out is not a smart thing to do. But those of you who are smarter than I am might unplug the unit from the receptacle, and then you can do all that picking out. Another way to avoid that is not to let the debris fill up high, because you got a window here. When the window starts getting filled up with the shredded paper, might be time to just change it a little bit earlier to avoid any crucial situations. But this gets used a lot. It can be useful as far as eliminating sensitive information quickly. So there's that. Adios for now.